Thanks for checking out this quick video on how to log into a conference using Canvas. The process is quite simple. First, check your @LEXCS email for the invitation. Open the email and click on the section where it says, "Click here to see the details." This should direct you to a separate web page that contains the i3 course that's already been set up in Canvas. Next, choose the conference which you want and click on it. Click to join. Again, you'll be directed to another web page. You may be asked to grant some permissions. If so, just click yes and follow the instructions. You'll be asked to choose an option of how you wish to join the conference. Just pick the one that's best for you. Once everything is loaded, you'll be good to go for the conference. There you have it. If you have any problems with the login, just contact the person listed in the notes section of this video. Thanks again for watching and have a good day.